These are the important concepts specific to the PWM driver of the AutoSAR MCAL layer. Now, apart from these general functional concepts, the microcontroller specific PWM and timer peripheral concepts are also important to understand when we will be configuring the PWM driver, as there are different peripherals, but the usage of these concepts is used only at the time of MCAL GUI configuration. At the time of writing the application, same set of APIs, chronology, and the parameters of those APIs are gonna be used, meaning the software APIs that is used are same, but just the configuration of PWM features and the initialization will be different from one MCU to another, and these changes are crucial to understand. And in our case, we are gonna focus on SL2K144 microcontroller, as we are using that microcontroller for hands-on PWM driver of AutoSAR MCAL layer.